Finding the best affordable slow cooker can feel harder than it should be. There are so many options, and not all of them cook evenly or last long. After testing and researching many models, I found that the best affordable slow cooker is one that gives steady heat, simple controls, and solid build quality without a high price. I've spent years comparing kitchen gear and seeing how these cookers perform in real homes across the US, from busy weeknight dinners to easy weekend chili. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Oventi 3.7 quart oval electric slow cooker. The Oventi 3.7 quart oval electric slow cooker is a nice mid-size option for easy home meals. I like using it for soups, stews, or a small roast on a quiet weekend. The 3 heat settings make cooking simple. You can choose low, high, or warm with a quick turn of the dial. I also like the oval stoneware pot, which fits many recipes with ease. The stainless steel body looks clean on the counter. One small downside is that the outer unit needs hand wiping. Still, it works well for simple, cozy meals. Number 4. Black + Decker 7 quart teal slow cooker. The Black + Decker 7 quart teal slow cooker is a fun and practical choice for family meals. I like using it when I cook chili, stew, or pulled chicken for a group. The size makes it great for meal prep or game day food. One feature I really enjoy is the built-in lid hold. It lets you rest the lid on the handle while stirring, so your counter stays clean. I also like the extra large handle design. The handles feel strong and easy to grip when moving the cooker. The cooker offers 3 simple heat settings: low, high, and warm. That makes it easy to start a meal in the morning and come back to it later. The stoneware crock lifts out easily for serving and goes right in the dishwasher after dinner. One small downside is the bright teal color. Some kitchens may prefer a more neutral look. Still, the cooker works well and feels very reliable for big, cozy meals. Number 3. Elite Gourmet 2 quart stainless steel slow cooker. The Elite Gourmet 2 quart stainless steel slow cooker is a handy little cooker for simple meals. I like using it when I want a small batch of soup, stew, or a warm dip for movie night. It does not take much space on the counter, which is great for small kitchens or dorm rooms. The cool touch handle makes it easy to move without worrying about hot hands. I also like the dishwasher-safe pot because cleanup after dinner feels quick and easy. The slow cooker has simple low, high, and warm settings. That makes it easy for beginners to use. Just add your ingredients and let it cook while you go about your day. The stainless steel body also looks neat and modern on the counter. One small downside is the small capacity. It works best for 1 or 2 people, not big family meals. Still, for easy everyday cooking, it feels very practical and reliable. Number 2. Crock-Pot 7 quart manual oval slow cooker. The Crock-Pot 7 quart oval manual slow cooker is a great pick when you need to cook for a crowd. I like using it on busy weekends when family or friends come over. The large pot makes it easy to cook chili, stew, or a big roast in one go. The 7 quart capacity is the first thing that stands out. It can feed a big family or hold a large cut of meat with room to spare. I also like the set and forget use style. Just switch to low or high and let it cook while you go about your day. For many homes, this can feel like the best cheap slow cooker that still handles large meals well. The stoneware pot lifts out easily and goes in the dishwasher after dinner. One small downside is that the cooker is a bit bulky on small counters. Still, for batch cooking or game day meals, it works great and feels very reliable. Number 1. Crock-Pot 2 quart classic small slow cooker. The Crock-Pot 2 quart classic small slow cooker is a simple little cooker that works great for small meals. I like using it when I want an easy dinner for 1 or 2 people. It feels light, compact, and easy to place on a small counter. The 2 quart size makes it perfect for dips, chili, or a quick soup on a busy night. I also like the 3 heat modes. You can switch between high, low, and warm without any fuss. For many homes, this works well as a best budget slow cooker because it cooks steady without costing much. The stoneware pot comes out easily and goes in the dishwasher, which saves time after dinner. One small downside is the size. It will not handle big family meals, but for simple recipes, game day dips, or small batches, it works very well and feels reliable. Final verdict. If you want a simple, reliable slow cooker without spending a lot, the Crock-Pot 2-quart classic small slow cooker is my top pick. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for small meals, dips, and everyday cooking. The 3 heat settings and removable stoneware make it flexible and easy to clean, which is why many home cooks love using it for quick homemade meals. If you cook for a bigger family or like batch cooking, the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is a great alternative. The larger size works well for roasts, chili, and big weekend meals. Check the links in the description for current prices and full details. Pick the cooker that fits your kitchen, your cooking style, and your daily routine.